So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna draw his head. So here we go. Right up there like that. That's the first one. And he's a little jagged guy, so we bring him down like that. And then we can draw his cheek. And his cheek is a big round one. Right like that. There we go. That's fun. And then back up like this. There we are. And what we can do now is we go up and join with an ear. First ear, just like that. Looking good. And then his other ear will go behind here like that. And then we'll draw a little bit here. And then what we're gonna do is join this together here like this. And go right around like that. There we are. And this is gonna be his nose. Just like that. Does that look good? We could color that in black because he's got a lot of black on him. Right now, eyes are black as well. 1, 2, and his eyebrows. 1 and 2. Just like that. That's nice. And why don't we give him a bit of a cheek here? And we'll round him out with his mouth. Just like that. Like that. Can you all do that? Very nice. Bit of a chin area there. And finish that off with his tongue. That's looking good. Alright. Now we can continue down with his shirt here. So he's got a bit of a collar. Come on down like that. Over here like that. And we'll bring his shirt like that. He's a bit of a tubby guy. So a bit of a roundish swirl like that. Alright, there we go. And now we can draw his arm. 1, 2, finish off his t-shirt like that, because he's got a nice red t-shirt he likes to wear. And then let's make him have his arm up as if he's having a great old time waving along at us. And old Winnie the Pooh's got a bit of a funny hand. He doesn't have any fingers. It almost looks like a glove. There we go. That looks nice. As if he's waving to us like that. And let's make his other arm as if he's waving at us too. Let's do one here. One here. Put his arms up like that. And around. There we go. Waving at us he is. We like that. Just match his shirt up like that so there aren't any holes. And now all we gotta do is draw his belly. All the way down like a big egg. There we go. Winnie the Pooh's a tubby guy. We can continue his body down like that and leave a gap here because that's where we're going to put his leg, his front leg that is. And Winnie the Pooh, because he's a bit of a stuffed animal, we can continue his leg looking like that. That's nice. Right, like that. And then he's got his feet like this, and Winnie doesn't have any toes, he's just got his foot. So there we go, that looks good. And now we can draw his back leg here, down like that, one here, just a little longer down for the back part, so we can join his foot up like this, and then across. There we go. Winnie the Pooh, everybody, looking good. And now we can do the color. So for his body, we have yellow, and his shirt is red. For his tongue, we have pink. The inside of his mouth is brown. Thanks, everybody.